Welcome back to the channel, guys. So what if I told you you can build a luxury travel booking platform using just Python? Not a simple script, but a full SaaS style app with flights, hotels, pricing, and also checkout. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I built this Streamlit Python application. Okay, this app called Voya Glide. As you can see here, there's a global concierge in estates, right? And it's a premium travel concierge system that lets user search flights, find luxury hotels, and build their itinerary all in one interface. And the best part, it's powered entirely by Python. Okay, so there's no template here, just pure coding. So let's start the foundation. The foundation is using Streamlit for the UI. As you can see here, it's Streamlit run app.py. That's my file name. That's app.py. And then you run it, Streamlit run. I mean Streamlit space run space and then the file name. Okay, and then you run it, and it will going to run on this localhost 8501, and it will go here, right? And yeah, it's and another integration that I inserted on the .env on this this file. Okay, get ignore. I'm just well, I'm going to use that because I'm going to hide the email, the uh, the integration that that I included here, so that once I deploy this to Streamlit later on, it will not going to be inserted. I mean, it should be hidden. Okay, it should not be hard coded. Okay. Now there's also pandas for data handling and session state to track user selection. Now there's even a dynamic dependency installer. So if a library like airports data isn't installed, right? Because there's a problem installing airports data. Earlier when I code this, the app install it automatically by itself. Okay, that's a very production level touch, right? So now let's talk about design. Now the design, instead of a, instead of a boring UI, I use custom CSS with glassmorphism styling. We're injecting style directly to the Streamlit to create dark luxury theme, smooth hover animations. You can see there's no animation in here. I'll show you that later on. Now the premium cards layout, I'll show you that later on once we tackle the control panel. Now the control panel, you can put the origin here. Let's say we're coming from JFK, okay? And our destination is in LAX or Los Angeles Airport. And then the departure date, let's say May, I guess. Yeah, May. Hold on. That's May, let's say May 1st. And then the return, May, let's say May 8th. Probably is in business and leisure travel. Okay. And we select the date. You can see we selected the date. Choose hotel types, luxury hotels or private rentals. And let's say private rentals. Okay. Let's say luxury hotels for now. Okay. And we're going to Los Angeles, of course. How many guests? Let's say five. So class four, class five, right? So you can put that number one, let's say. Done. Mm, oh yeah, yeah. For now, we I never input any other class, just four and five for now. Okay, so we're going to click on curate selection. So when the user clicks create collection, we send requests to that integration, and then we use Google Flight Engine and Google Hotels Engine. Then we store the result inside the Streamlit session state. This allows us to persist data without refreshing everything. Okay, so for now, let's see, you will see here on this card, as you can see the animation, right? You can see here, and then you will see the travel duration here that, like, for instance, this one, JFK to LAX, it will be in JetBlue, right? And the duration will be 6 hours and 17 minutes. And there's also American, and that's 6 hours and 16 minutes. There's also Delta, JetBlue, okay, and American, probably that's United, right? Okay, so yeah, let's try a cheaper flight price. Okay, that's the only that's 476. So let's say this one. Then you will see here JetBlue successfully added to your itinerary, and then you will see it here on the lower portion. It's added to the cart. And then when you click on the available SaaS state, you can see there's inquire in here. Later on, it will going to be, I mean, it will going to upload the prices because you know that sometimes it change, right? The prices of flights or hotels, I mean, the flight sometimes change, right, without prior notice. And so that's the thing. Now, here are the flight cards. I mean, here are the hotel cards with images, amenities, and rates. Okay, so we're going to click on this estate. And as you can see here, Los Angeles, downtown South Olive has been reserved and it will go all added to the cart, right? So what we're going to do here next, user have the option, can select the options, okay? And the app visually highlight their choices. As you can see, when you hover, right, it will going to select, all right, or you're going to be I mean, you will see the change of colors. Okay. Now, once installation is made, floating checkout appears. As you can see, here's floating checkout and selected flight and hotel, total price in multiple currency. Then we move into full confirmation screen with the selected reference number. Okay, when you go here down below, click on proceed to checkout, you will see some sort of a celebration. Okay. Right, you can see the loading animation in there. All right, here's the congratulatory what you call it, animation. There's the ticket, and there's the reference number here, and then here's the total price. Now you can return to the selection or discard discard this ticket or this selection, and then search a new one. Or you can go to send the inquiry to concierge, and we're going to click on that button. Right, and then we're going to open your what you call this default email email client. Right, if you're using Apple email or Apple Mail or Outlook Mail or Gmail, okay, it will going to prompt, it will going to open on your screen, and you have the option, or your customer, right, have the option to send the what you call this the email to the concierge, concierge. Okay, right. This might take a little while to be. I mean, the email. As you can see here, dear concierge. I have finalized my selection on the Voya Glide dashboard and would like to proceed with the booking process. Okay, and it will going to tell what is the flight route, what's the flight number, I mean the reservation inquiry, reference, right? And also the price, total investment. Okay, and your customer will going to click on it, and you will and the whoever handling the email will be going to what you call this send, right, or receive the email so he can process the flight and also the estate or the itinerary. Okay, so here's the this is more than just a Python project. This is a blueprint for building real SaaS application. If you want the code or want to know about how to code about this, send me an email, subscribe to my channel, like the video or share the video if you like. And or if you want to build something like this for you, right? Subscribe to my channel, send an email, comment down below, like the channel, and hope you like the video. Okay, check the links in the description if you have any, or check my email on my profile so that you can send out an email. Okay, until the next video.